Good afternoon, residents of Fitchburg. I'm here to apprise you of the latest update with information relative to the COVID-19 outbreak. Health Alliance Clinton Hospital has opened a testing tent for drive-through screening of COVID-19 on their Leominster campus at 60 Hospital Road in Leominster. The drive-up tent will only test patients who have a doctor's order to be tested. Patients must call 978-466-2627 to register. Our testing tent is set up under the parking deck at our main entrance, commented Steve Roach, interim president of Health Alliance Clinton Hospital. We want to remind the community that this is not a drive-up test site for everyone. Access is limited to patients that have an order from the test placed by their primary care physician. The tent will be open between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. It is equipped with everything caregivers need to screen patients. The tent also allows the hospital to keep potential COVID-19 patients away from the hospital emergency room to minimize risk of spreading the disease, as well as keeping the emergency room open to other patients. City of Fitchburg, per order of the Commissioner of Public Works, all city playgrounds and the dog park are hereby closed to the public until the COVID-19 state of emergency is lifted. Parks, fields, courts, and tracks continue to be open, but the public is ordered to avoid large gatherings. Please exercise social distancing and avoid touching common surfaces. There is evidence that the coronavirus can survive on plastic and metal surfaces for up to 2 to 3 days. We apologize for this inconvenience. And lastly, I'd like to remind residents to visit our website, www.fitchburgma.gov, and visit our COVID-19 resource page and sign up for the Notify Me link to receive city notifications. And without further delay in introducing our Director of Health, Mr. Steve Curry. Steve.
I have the unfortunate job of reporting that the City of Fitchburg has experienced its first confirmed case of COVID-19. I am happy to report that the 56-year-old male resident was experiencing a fever, but has been released from the hospital and is feeling better and at home resting and recovering. He is under isolation regulations as determined by the Massachusetts Department of Public Health, and one household contact will be ordered quarantined. In addition, Massachusetts statewide numbers of confirmed cases has reportedly grown to 328 cases. Worcester County has crept up from 10 to 14 cases. A confirmed COVID-19 case shows that residents still need to protect themselves. Many of the things that you do to help prevent colds and the flu can help protect you against other respiratory viruses, including COVID-19. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Clean things that are frequently touched, like doorknobs and countertops, with household cleaning spray or wipes. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Use a tissue or your inner elbow, not your hands. And very importantly, please stay home if you are sick. I also urge residents to make calls to their primary care providers should they have concerns that they are becoming ill. There are currently no vaccines, as most people know, to protect against the novel coronavirus infection. However, I don't have any testing sites to announce at this point in time, but hopefully things will progress in the next few days. And I would keep folks up to date on that. Very much the best I can, especially through our City of Fitchburg webpage. I will also be updating our cases on that same webpage. As the mayor mentioned previously, www.fitchburgma.gov is the webpage. I would also like to ask that our hotline is getting closer to fruition. It would be great if there are any nurses out there that could assist with this effort to answer phone calls from residents from 13 communities to help with concerns residents have. For those nurses that are interested, please email scurry@fitchburgma.gov. That's scurry@fitchburgma.gov. I'd also encourage folks once again to pay attention to the Health Department webpage. It contains links to the Center for Disease Control, the CDC, as well as Mass DPH, the Massachusetts Department of Public Health. Remember, be vigilant, and comply with these regulations to protect yourself. I thank you again.